What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Let's check out the new flashlight from WOWTAC. Hey, just picked this up. It's by WOWTAC. I've always loved their stuff, and this is a new flashlight. It's called the W1, and you can see here, has a lot of paperwork, and it's quite small. First of all, let's see what kind of accessories it comes with. It does come with a micro USB cable, which you would probably expect. It also comes with a little metal clip, which I always put on because these things are awesome. And in fact, this one is a double-ended clip, so you can put it on either direction, which is great because you can actually use these things with like a baseball cap, or you can put it in your pocket and have it facing in or out, which is nice. And then here is the very small W1. In fact, which hand is it in? It's in this hand. I didn't fool you. Look how small this is, right? This is totally pocketable. This is a pen flashlight almost. You could put this in a backpack, a glove box, a purse, whatever. And it's really nice. It's just got a great feel. It's got a nice solid feel. Aluminum construction. You can see the nice knurling here. Has a little bit of a hexagonal shape up here on the collar. We have this nice rounded, I'm not sure, this is like some sort of hard alloy here, gunmetal. You can see the LED emitter right in there. And then on the back end, the back cap with a little pass-through hole right at the top, so you could put a lanyard on it. Now, I will say on the reverse side, we have a little rubber door here, and that is the micro USB port. And then on the reverse side, we have a smoked translucent button, which should be the power. Now, and then we do have the WOWTAC 16340 battery, and that says 650 milliamp hours. So that is in there. And then, boom, look at that. Dude, this thing is bright. I can tell you right now, it's pretty bright. And for as little as it is, I'm always shocked by how much power these things can put out. I will tell you that this light has, looks like 6 modes. So it's on right now, and let's just step through these modes. Oh, there are 6 modes, and it starts with Firefly. Now, when the light is off like this, if I just hit the button and hold it down, we go into Firefly mode, and you can see there, it's great for reading maps, very much for preserving your own night vision by not blinding you at night. And if we turn it off here, now if I just turn it back on, we actually have 4 standard modes. So we have 1, and then you kind of long press to go through them, 2, 3, and then back down to the low. So low is 12 lumens, medium is 60 lumens, and high is 197 lumens. Now if I double click, we go to turbo, which is 562 lumens. And then if we go to a triple click, we go to that flash tactical strobe, which is also done at 150 lumens. So there are 2 really awesome features that I want to show you. First of all, I've got the flashlight just clipped to my pocket so I can grab it right here. And I'm in the garage. And if I want to work on the car, not only can I turn on this flashlight here, but the tail end of this bad boy is magnetic. So look at this. Boom. That is awesome. Now, let's see how bright this thing is. Oh, darkness has fallen, but I am not scared because I got my WOWTAC W1. And so if we just go ahead and turn it on, and you can see, has that memory. Looks pretty good. I'm not sure which setting we're on, but this is pretty good. Even if we're hiking at speed, this lights up a lot of stuff. I can see those trees out there too. So if I just hit it again, we go down to the low setting, which is more than a night light, more than the Firefly modes. Putting it out here at about 10 feet, and I'm lighting up stuff pretty well out there. And then there's the bright, and you might be able to see those trees out there. And then if I double click it, we go to that turbo, and look at that. That is lighting up stuff, no problem. In fact, I wonder if we can see any wildlife out here. It's probably too cold. But that is lighting up everything. We've got a nice big spot in the middle, and then it's flooded out on the side. So a lot of light. Look at that. Out of a thing that is the size of your thumb. Hey, if you want to pick up this WOWTAC, I think it's going to be great, and it's small, and it is effective. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.